to you about 3 cases that we had that we sent to China. China is served through the Hague Convention. When we prepare the packet in the application, we send it to the Central Authority. The Central Authority is that office that's designated by the country to receive the paperwork. Once they review your paperwork, then they will decide if they're going to send the packet to the Supreme Court in China. Once the Supreme Court in China receives your paperwork, then they are going to assign a case number. A judge will review the file and order the service. And that's what happened in this particular case. As you can see, we received this affidavit of service, and in this affidavit we have the actual seal at the bottom, and then we have the date it was served, at the address it was served, and in what legal capacity. And they put here legal capacity, and they sign it, and also then they send us the actual official document in Chinese. Once we receive this, then we'll provide this to the attorney. The attorney will review it, have it translated, and then filed with the court. Once the court here in the United States receives this affidavit, then they'll know that the defendant was served and that the case can proceed. This is one case that we have. Then in the other case we have that I want to demonstrate to you is I have this document, which is another affidavit that's in Chinese with all the seals. Then we have the actual affidavit in English. This is a combination of English and Chinese. Again, it has the date it was served. On this particular one, it was served, the legal representative took the paperwork, and at the top, they put the case number that's assigned, so that way they know that they actually received it. Now, when we receive this paperwork, we receive it like this. In this envelope, as you can see that it comes to us in some priority way, worldwide express mail service. And then here's the affidavit that we have. Again, this is a separate case, so I'm showing you 3 different cases, 3 different original affidavits. And then here we have, once again, the affidavit in Chinese. We have the application, and the application is sent both in English and in Chinese. When we're preparing these packages, we must prepare them in accordance to the rules that the Chinese have. In the event that we don't send the package correctly, everything will be returned to us. Do you know that the Supreme Court in China has changed its ruling? They no longer accept cashier's check or money from the United States. You have to wire transfer the money. There are a lot of details when dealing with the Central Authority, and that's just one of them. That's why it's important to deal with a company that focuses on international service directly. Why? Because we deal with these paperwork on a daily basis. On a daily basis, we send documents to China. It's either litigation cases, divorce cases, family law cases, probate matter, a lot of patent infringement matters that are filed here in the United States. We're experts in serving documents in China. So please, if you have a question or have a defendant that you need to serve in China, please call us and we'll give you a free consultation. We'll lay out the whole process and the whole strategy to getting them served, and we'll get the job done. Thank you.